I know how much you love the Altenew Build-A-Flower stamp sets, but sometimes color choices might elude you. I'm going to show you that the inspiration you're looking for might be closer than you think. I was working on my design for the Build-A-Flower Primrose release, and I thought, I don't know what color primrose really are. So I could have done some quick lookup to find some inspiration images, but I knew that something was even closer at hand. So if you take this out of the packaging, you will find a world of inspiration right in this little trifold. Did you know that it opens up completely and gives you tons of great inspiration? Well, let's start by looking at the back. Of course, I have my layering guides, but it also provides me with some color inspiration, and that's what I'm going to use today. So I'm going to create these, but when I open this up, I've got a whole world of inspiration. I've got project ideas and additional colors, just a ton of really cool things that you can do with this single stamp set to give you inspiration and to get you started. The even better thing is that these stamps right here are actually life-size. So if you're having problems layering your stamps, you can go ahead and just put them right over the top until you find them in the right place. And then you can just layer your stamps up and know exactly how they're going to layer together. So let's go ahead and do some layering so you can get some great color combos. Like I said, we'll be using the ones on the back of the layering guide. All right, I'm going to start with the first flower, which is these top three here, and those were done in the Pocketful of Sunshine, Honey Drizzle, Fresh Lemon, and Citrus Burst. All of the outlines are done in black, so I have my Obsidian black pulled out. So we'll just leave that open and hanging out at the top here. And of course, the outline is super simple. And then I will do my big background in Citrus Burst. And that's going to go right on top. It fills in that outline perfectly. And you'll notice that they are layered exactly the right way on the carrier sheet. So you don't have to think about which direction they're going to go. So then this one is going to fit right on top. And this is a very forgiving set. So if you are new to stamp layering and flower layering like this, this is a great set to get started with. So this is going to go right in the middle, like so. And then we're going to actually skip the third color, which would be maple yellow, and go right to Honey Drizzle. And that is going to give us a little bit of a darker center. And there you go. So that's the first one. And all of them repeat quite simply like this. So I'm going to put on some music and let you watch the rest of these. I will go through the other two flowers and then we'll take a look at the leaves. So for the leaves, there are two sets of leaves, and they go in Minty Mint and Sweet Leaf in the samples. And so this is one set, and this is another set. So as you can see, using this layering guide, I was able to create some beautiful flowers, and they look fantastic assembled together as a little trio. I hope you enjoyed this look into the new Build-A-Flower Primrose, and it gives you some ideas of where you can find inspiration for all of your projects. I'll be back soon with another video, but until next time, happy crafting. Help support my craft education efforts by clicking on the subscribe button and the little bell so you'll get notified when I create new content just for you. If you're looking for something else to watch, how about one of these crafty videos?